Jai Hind to all. Today we are going to study the lesson Coal and Petroleum of class 8. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the natural resources and its type, define, describe the coal and its other useful products. You can also describe the petroleum and its other useful products, petroleum and its refining process, various constituents of a petroleum and their usage, natural gas and its importance. The natural resources. Natural resources are the resources we get from nature like air, sunlight, soil, minerals, forest, wildlife, etc. Now, natural resources are mainly two types: inexhaustible and exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources are those resources which are present in unlimited amount in nature and can be exhausted by human activities, and for example sunlight, air and water. Exhaustible natural resources, these are the resources which is present in limited amount in nature and can be exhausted by human activities. The examples: minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Now, the fossil fuel. What are the fuels? You take the food to get the energy. The food is also the fuel for your body. And when you take the food, you get the energy and then you are able to do work. In the same way, the fuel, coal, petroleum, they are also known as the fuels because they provide the energy. Now, fossils fuel. Fossils are the remaining parts of the plants and animals which are buried inside the earth crust, known as the fossils. The fossil fuels which are formed from the dead remains of the living organism that lived millions of years ago, and coal, petroleum, natural gas are the examples of fossil fuel. Now, how the coal is formed in nature? Coal was formed by the when the forests are buried inside the earth crust and soil deposit over them, and they are pushed deeper in the soil and got compressed. And due to the high temperature and pressure and absence of air, the dead plants are get slowly converted into coal after millions of years. And the slow process of conversion of dead plants into coal is called carbonization. This picture shows a picture of a coal mine from where coal obtained. Now, destructive distillation of coal. Now, destructive distillation is the process when coal is heated in the absence of air, and the main products which is obtained by the processing of coal are coke, coal tar and coal gas. Useful products obtained from coal by the destructive distillation. Number one, that is the coke. Coke, it is a tough, porous, black substance and it is almost the pure form of carbon. It is used in manufacturing of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Now, second fraction which we obtain by the destructive distillation of coal is coal tar. It is a black thick liquid which with an pleasant smell, and it is a mixture of the several substances, and it is used in manufacturing of the dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, etc. Coal gas, it is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal and it is used as a fuel in industries. Now, petroleum was formed when organisms living in the sea, as the organism died, their bodies got settled at the bottom of the sea and covered by the layer of sand and clay. And then due to the high temperature and pressure and absence of air, the dead organism slowly got converted into petroleum and natural gas after millions of years. The world's first oil well was drilled in USA in 1859. In India, the first well was drilled at Assam in Makum in 1867. Now the petroleum which is obtained from earth crust, it is a dark oily liquid with unpleasant smell, and it is mixture of a various constituents. The process of separating these different constituents of petroleum is called refining of petroleum, and it is done in a petroleum refineries. Now various constituents of a petroleum and their usage. This is the fractional distillation column, and the different fractions of the obtained from the petroleum. And first is the petroleum gas, which is petrol, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin, wax and bitumen. And these are the uses of the different fraction. Petroleum gas is used as a fuel in a home and industry. Petrol is used as a motor fuel and solvent for a dry cleaning. Kerosene is also used as a fuel and lamps for jet aircrafts. Diesel is a fuel for heavy motor vehicles, electric generators. Lubricating oil is used for the lubrication, and paraffin wax is the ointment, candle, Vaseline, etc. And the last fraction bitumen, it is used in painting and road surfacing. Now last, that is the natural gas. Natural gas is easy to transport through pipes, and it is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas, which is shortly we call CNG. And CNG is used as a fuel in homes, industry, transport vehicles and power generation. CNG is a clean fuel and less polluting, and therefore it is becoming more popular nowadays.